I'm Cheyenne and I'll be showing you how to grow and care for your Monstera. The Monstera is very easy to grow and virtually thrives on neglect. They can be grown big or small, making them perfect for apartments or open plan homes. They look cool and are easy to keep alive, no wonder they're so popular. To care for your Monstera you'll need potting mix, gloves, a dust mask, trowel, pH testing kit, slow release fertiliser, and a watering can. Monstera is native to tropical rainforests from southern Mexico to Panama. So it comes as no surprise that it favours a warm, humid environment, which makes it perfect for indoors. Place your Monstera in a well-lit area of your house with plenty of room to grow. When potting your Monstera, use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes to prevent it getting too wet. A Monstera typically outgrows its pot every 2 years. For strong growth, keep the soil pH between 5.5 and 7. You can easily monitor the pH levels using a soil pH tester. You need to stay on top of fertilising to make sure your soil pH remains in the optimum range. Insert the pH tester so that the tip is sitting where the roots are. If the soil pH is too high, you can lower it using agricultural sulphur. If your soil pH is too low, you can raise it using dolomite lime, which you can pick up from Bunnings. Water your Monstera moderately and evenly, about once a week. Wait until the soil is fairly dry before watering again. Taking care of Monsteras is so easy. All you need to do is water every now and then, and don't forget to fertilise.